Here we have Bose SoundTouch 30 Series 2 wireless, and it is having an issue. It has no power or not turning on. In this video, I'm going to share how I troubleshoot this speaker. Now I'm going to check the primary supply, and here I'm getting 230 volts AC. This line is connected from the wall outlet, and here I've got DC volts output, and the reading is fine. This output is connected to the sub power supply of this speaker, and this is the sub supply input, which is I am getting also the same volts DC. And here I am checking for the secondary supply, and I am not getting any volts here. Supposed to be we have to get at least 3.3 volts or 5, and here also no volts. For this case, the my initial findings, it has an issue on this sub power supply board. But here I am going also to share with you the volts reading on the main power supply, and actually this is the main power supply, and also the amplifier is the circuit. The amplifier is also here. I'm checking the input supply from AC, and we have reading, and this is for DC. This terminal is for the bridge type diode, and we have volts reading, and volts reading is fine. And here the secondary, and this is the power supply, the line supply for the amplifier, which is 24 volts, 24, 25. Now I'm checking again, and really there is no supply present on that line. Now I'm going to take out the board and do some checking. As you can see, the connector, white connector with black and red, this is the line supply for the input, then input voltage, which is DC, and I have reading on it, and on this side is a resistor. I've got reading also on that side, and here there is no reading actually. On this part I got reading, but this one is pulsating, and that behavior is not normal. And when I touch the center of the resistor, there is a spark sign that this component is already having an issue. As you can see, there is a spark sign. Now I am going to replace that. The value of the resistor is 500 ohms. The number is 511. Resistor is out, and this is the replacement. Actually, this replacement, the wattage is quite small, but you know, better to. I suggest to replace the if you have the same size. But in this video, it doesn't matter. Just to only show what is the uh, issue, the main cause why this speaker is not turning on. And I'm gonna install this resistor with the same value, but the only difference is the size. Same value 511, which is 500 ohms. And I just clean it and reading again. Okay, as you can see, the pulsating here, the reading is not pulsating. And I've got on this side is we'll see 5 volts or 3.3. Okay, I'm reading on the other side, and this one is no reading. But on this side, the reading is you must have 5 volts. And also on this side, also 5 volts. If no 5 volts there, the unit will not turn on. Okay, it seems that our sub power supply board is not working, and I'm checking the display. And as you can see, you see the sound touch logo, it's blinking, indication that the unit is already working. And I'm gonna install back the sub power supply board, checking this side. Before I have no volts kit here, and then now we have 3.3 volts on that side. And I'm checking the display now. Actually, in this situation, the display having an issue. The OLED display is not complete. Now I'm gonna checking this physically, what is happening. And I have spare OLED display just to check whether the display is the problem or the STS board. Almost the same, the only difference is the color. My purpose here is just to confirm what is the issue regarding about the display, and let us check. Okay, as you can see, the unit is booting up, and it seems that the display now is fine. Okay, yes, the display is fine, and the issue is the original display, which is the character is not complete. And also I noticed on the original display, during checking, it's like not much light. The backlight is dim. I'm touching the connector, maybe it's loose, but it's not. Okay guys, hope you learned something on this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you so much, and God bless us.